Hi, I'm Sonia, PhD student in Cognitive Science for University of Messina in Italy and currently visiting PhD student at Liverpool John Moores University. Today I'll present a study in collaboration with Liverpool John Moores and Liverpool Hope University which aims at assessing what image components may impact on our choice of tourist destinations. Tourist Destination Image, or TDI, is the result of all the components that provide the subjective interpretation of a tourist destination. This means that a good TDI will lead to tourism loyalty. Photographs, that from now I'm going to call images, prime a first impression of the potential destination before the actual visit. It has been demonstrated that aesthetic image properties have a significant impact on the TDI. However, it is yet to be explored what components predict aesthetic appreciation and the tourist evaluation. Grounded on the two facets of liking and wanting of the reward system, with the tourist judgment, the observer could project himself in the to-be-evaluated place. In line with the embodied cognition, here we reason on a mechanism that involves a coupling between perception and action. That is, when we observe a tourist image, we may see ourselves as if we are in that place, triggering the wanting to explore it. Therefore, we consider the three embodied dimensions: presence, bodily engagement in the represented place, exploration as motor mechanism, and completion, the desire to explore the place beyond the image. Also, we were interested in the role of symmetry as a property typically associated with beauty. So we aim to explore the relationship between these four dimensions and assess whether they would predict aesthetic and tourist judgments, which in terms of design are the outcome variables. We expected that liking would positively correlate with tourist judgment, embodied dimensions will predict the tourist evaluation, and perceived symmetry will predict aesthetic evaluation. So we conducted an online quotient study. 121 participants completed first the desire for aesthetic scale to assess aesthetic attitude. We watch positive when compared to normative value, and then the evaluation task on 50 ecologically valid images with different environments, using a visual analog scale ranging from not at all to very much. This task involved the evaluation of the embodied components, symmetry, and the liking and tourist judgment. We found that all the evaluations were significantly correlated. Then, we worked out the principal component analysis on embodied components and symmetry, and we obtained that presence and exploration could be considered as a single variable. This conclusion allowed us to avoid multicollinearity risk and proceed with multilinear regression, which showed that only presence and exploration predicted the aesthetic judgment, while the tourist judgment was also predicted by completion. In contrast, symmetry did not predict the two judgments. Now, the role of completion may suggest the involvement of an embodied simulation, by which the observer reenacts offline past sensory-motor experiences, here associated with exploration of the new places. For the symmetry, the result is surprising. However, there are conditions in which the aesthetic value of symmetry is violated, at the point that even asymmetry in some cases may result more appealing. Our future research will directly assess the role of embodied processes in the TDI evaluation. Thank you for your attention and for listening.